Go like I want. Watch me roll this dope. Watch me trapping, Lord is God. Watch me. She ain't leaving, I was broke. She ain't leaving, I was broke. One thing that she didn't do. She ain't leaving, I was broke. I don't never tell her what.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, or should we say Melanin Monroe's channel. So today we will be making glitter slime. We purchased a slime kit and now we'll be showing you everything that we got in the slime kit, and we'll be showing you how to make the slime. So one bottle of clear glue, a big bottle, it's 4 ounces, a bottle of slime activator, a measuring cup, 3 popsicle sticks for mixing, 2 containers of pigment so we can color it blue, 1 measuring spoon for the pigment, 1 bag of purple glitter.
It has blue in the camera.
Yeah, it looks blue in the camera. 1 bag of silver glitter, 2 mixing bowls, show yours, and 2 storage containers. And we had to provide our own room temperature water. Okay. So, first step is to, well, of course, put some glue in. So let's make sure the glue's open. It's open? Yeah, it's open. Ooh. Some of it's already dried, huh? So we're not going to follow the instructions because, you know, they're boring. Until we need them, then we're probably going to use those. So let me grab those. So I'll put in my glue first. That's enough. How much do you want? Tell me how much you want and then tell me to stop.
Stop.
So we both have a good amount of glue. You can't see it because it's clear. So now we get to add our water. So we got to put in 20 milliliters of room temperature water. So now, do you want to start mixing? Just mix up the water. We're going to mix the water and the glue together just to get things started and situated, but it's not really activating it. Okay. Now that we've done that, scrape your thing like this. Let's get the glue off.
Are we done?
No. Scrape. No, we're not done. So, do you want glitter, or do you want blue slime, or you want some blue slime with a little bit of glitter?
Blue slime.
You want blue slime? So, she wants blue slime with a little bit of glitter. Well, mine will be glitter completely, no blue, and then Carter will have the blue pigment. It's like paint, basically.
Yeah.
Yours will be a very nice blue color.
Can I start mixing?
Yeah. So Carter's going to start mixing hers. Mix yours together. And I'm going to put in the silver packet because, you know, your girl wants a little bit of silver in her slime. And I'm really excited to put it in. How am I supposed to open it?
I'm start mixing. Mix. We really are making purple. Should I really make it purple?
I'm not making purple.
You're making blue?
Mm-hmm. Okay, sorry guys. I had to get, we need scissors. Scissors gonna cut.
And I like purple, so I will put purple on.
You want purple glitter in there?
Yeah. Well, yours has to be so glittery.
Whoa. A lot of glitter.
Shall I like this?
So now Carter wants some purple glitter in hers, so I open it.
should start mixing.
So now you should mix yours. And I guess I'll mix mine a little bit. I think the glitter, I feel like the glitter might make it harder to work with, I feel. Yeah, because it's getting chunky. So now, is yours all mixed up?
Yeah.
Okay, Carter's is all mixed up, mine is all mixed up. Let's show them what we have so far.
But I put the slime on the table.
I know, leave the spoon in there. There's one more glitter for you. I'll add a little purple glitter on mine too.
Yay! Now we're about to look like twins. Whoa, yours about to look so rainbow.
Mm-hmm.
Mine's about to look so colorful and nice and glittery. Yours about to look
So where we're at so far, you probably can barely see mine because mine might spill out.
You have purple.
It's like silver and
That
purple glitter. And now we're going to put in some of the solution or the slime
Are you
activator.
done mixing?
Yeah. You're done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so 5 milliliters. I think I might put in like 7.5 a little bit because it has 7.5 as an option. I don't know why. Because we didn't measure our glue. But I'll give her 5 just in case, and if she needs more, I'll give her more. Now mix. Okay, now we're mixing our... Woo-wee! Mine is coming together. Okay, mine came together really fast. Is yours coming together? Okay, you need some more. She needs some more. Wait, Carter, wait. I don't know what this activator is, but I should be careful getting it on my skin. Ooh, look at yours, look at yours. Yours is a little watery. Yeah, yours is wet slime. You have wet slime. So, her slime is actually a little wet, and I don't know why. It's fine. It's still good. Actually, it'll be less sticky.
I'm gonna stir it this time.
Okay, so she's gonna keep stirring hers, but mine is completely done. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh.
Oh, it's stuck to me.
Guys, look at my slime. I'm so happy how well this came out. Look at mine. Super glittery, and it's clear, but it has some purple in it. And it's just... Whoever's doing yard work outside, I hate you.
Oh, my glue is melted.
Oh, Carter's looks really nice, guys. Let's show them what yours looks like. Here, let's take it out of the bottle. The bottle. Let's take it.
The bottle?
No, take it out of the bowl. Oh, yeah. Yours is kind of slippery, which I'm kind of worried about, but we can just clean it. Guys, do you hear that? Mine is like kind of like a jiggly slime, but it's like, I love
Mine's like a crocodile wet slime.
It's a crocodile slime. What's that?
It's for if you can dive in the water, if you can tell your mom.
Oh, you can tell your moms you dived underwater.
And you can
Yours is like an ocean blue. Let's see.
What cereal?
Yeah, hers is really pretty.
It looks like blue.
It's blue. You can kind of see some of the sparkles in it, but they're kind of hard to see since you chose the dark color. You want to put some silver in? See if the silver shows up. I spilled silver over here, so we're just gonna kind of roll that in there because your girl ain't want to waste no glitter. We're not for that, okay? But put some glitter on top of it.
So you're making a mess.
Oh, my mom gonna kill me. But, alright, mix your, yeah, roll it around.
Squish it, squish it. I'm squish it.
Okay. I absolutely love this slime. Like,
Oh,
was this fun?
yeah.
And there's like different ways you could modify and make your slime better. And it comes with clear glue, which is even better because, you know, you can do everything with clear glue. Like white glue, sometimes it shows up, sometimes it doesn't. It's just too much. But clear glue, you get 100% positive results. You know, it's fun. And it's really fun.
Red. Wow, yours. Oh, Sharon, yours are so color of that.
I know. We don't push that too hard. You know. Well, that doesn't supply out. Mine is like, I like how the consistency of mine. It's not too sticky. Like it kind of sticks to you, but it's nothing like, oh crap, like you gotta roll it around a bunch. Like you just wipe it. It does. This does leave glitter all on your hand.
Whoa, it's so glitter all
It does a little bit of glitter.
She had glitter all on the table.
Like glitter is fun. Carter's playing with it like it's Play-Doh. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna put yours together. Like put it together like mine, like a ball, like a little mountain.
Like a little mountain?
Okay, put it on the table. So we're going to do some ASMR. You ready, Carter?
Yep.
So you just take your 3 fingers and go like that.
Okay. It does have no noise.
Yeah, it does. Watch. Let me see. Hers is more like a... Wait, hold on. Let me see. Her stick's not at all. And it's kind of bouncy. I think there might have been a little too much of something or a little less of, I think a little not enough water and glue, too much solution.
Squish it. Just like the can squish it.
But guys, we had so much fun. We're gonna have more fun with this slime once we're done with this video. So let's close this out. You ready, girl?
Yes.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video of us making this slime. Please give it a big
thumbs up.
And make sure you
comment down below.
And subscribe and hit that
notification bell.
And we will see you guys later.
Peace.